Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, May 13, 2021 on our channel. Marten Transport upgrades fleet with ORBCOMM's next generation. Commercial refrigeration equipment market 2021 to 2028. CIAT launches #CHAT for HVAC in Europe. REFRIGERA 2021 has postponed on 3 to 5 November. Samsung HVAC contributes K of equipment to small business office building. Daikin applied adds inverter compressors to Rebel applied rooftop HVAC system. Johnson Controls completes acquisition of Silent-Aire. Emerson along with Hussmann and Chemours donated refrigeration equipment to Gem City Market. Parker Sporlan presents the final webinar in the supermarket seminar series. So, first news today. Marten Transport upgrades fleet with ORBCOMM's next generation. ORBCOMM Incorporated announced that Marten Transport, Marten, one of the largest refrigerated truckload, dedicated, intermodal and brokerage providers in North America, has begun the retrofit of their fleet of refrigerated and dry van trailers with ORBCOMM's next generation, dual-mode asset tracking solutions in preparation for the sunsetting of 3G wireless service, which will commence at the end of 2021. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Commercial refrigeration equipment market 2021 to 2028. The global commercial refrigeration equipment market size was valued at $33.53 billion in 2020. It is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.2% from 2021 to 2028. The rapid expansion of the tourism and hospitality sector and the growing preference of end customers to take away meals are expected to emerge as the primary growth factors for the market over the forecast period. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. CIAT launches #CHAT for HVAC in Europe. CIAT shares its commitment to help preserve the health and well-being of everyone in everyday life with the launch of #CHAT for Life, a campaign to spread awareness of CIAT's advanced HVAC solutions and services to help create healthier indoor environments. To meet the challenges of pollution factors and the risk of spreading airborne diseases, CIAT provides a range of air conditioning solutions specially designed to deliver improved HVAC. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. REFRIGERA 2021 has postponed on 3 to 5 November. REFRIGERA 2021 will now be taking place at Bologna Fiere 3-4 November 5, 2021. Although the Italian reopening decree authorizes all fairs to take place with the presence of exhibitors and visitors starting from 15 June, after having spoken with sector associations and institutional partners, we have decided to postpone REFRIGERA 2021 to the autumn to ensure maximum participation in the event by Italian and international operators. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Samsung HVAC contributes K of equipment to small business office building. Ductless and VRF manufacturer, Samsung HVAC, headquartered in Roanoke, Texas, has collaborated with the developers of the Metroport Chamber located in downtown Roanoke to provide individual zone control, energy efficiency, and innovative indoor units to a brand new office building in an up-and-coming area. Designed as a member-focused building, the new Roanoke location offers co-working space, lease space, and conference room availability for the Chamber's membership and staff. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Daikin applied adds inverter compressors to Rebel applied rooftop HVAC system. Daikin Applied announced updates to its Rebel Applied packaged rooftop HVAC system, known for its leading airflow and efficiency ratings, and compact footprint. Rebel Applied now comes with inverter scroll compressors, precision temperature and humidity control, and adaptive refrigeration technology, expanding its ability to provide unmatched energy efficiency and enhanced indoor comfort. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. Johnson Controls completes acquisition of Silent-Aire. Johnson Controls International plc today announced it has completed the acquisition of Silent-Aire. Silent-Aire, headquartered in Edmonton, Alberta, specializes in the design, engineering and manufacturing of mission-critical custom air handlers and modular data centers for hyperscale cloud and colocation providers. Silent-Aire's portfolio of data center solutions allow for rapid deployment of critical infrastructure in flexible configurations, with a focus on quality, scalability, and speed to market. Read more the news on our website today. 8th News Today. Emerson along with Hussmann and Chemours donated refrigeration equipment to Gem City Market. Emerson is donating a unique, sustainable refrigeration architecture developed at its Helix Innovation Center in Dayton, Ohio, to the city's Gem City Market, a collaborative grocery store to provide fresh food amid a local food desert. To help ensure safe, high-quality food at the market, Emerson is donating its Copeland Scroll Booster refrigeration architecture, the first technology to be commercially developed at Emerson's Helix Innovation Center in Dayton. Read more the news on our website today. 9th News Today. Parker Sporlan presents the final webinar in the Supermarket Seminar Series. Parker Sporlan presents the final webinar in the Supermarket Seminar Series. Jim Jansen, Senior Application Engineer, and John Whithouse, Senior Principal Engineer, will discuss supermarkets of the future. On this webinar, discuss interesting systems including subcritical and transcritical CO2, secondary refrigerants, new refrigerant updates, including changes for hydrocarbons, the impact of doze-off, control and monitoring trends, and even mergers and acquisitions within the supermarket industry. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.